और हर रॉयल एनफील्ड बाइक अपने आप में ही एक बहुत सही इन्वेंशन है, बट आउट ऑफ ऑल दोस इन्वेंशंस, यू नो, माय पर्सनल फेवरेट इज दिस वन. Namaskaram everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is definitely not a right day. As many of you have suggested on Instagram कि भाई अपना बाइक का एक बार रिव्यू कर दे. So I'm planning to make a complete review of my bike, which is Thunderbird 350X, and I'm going to tell you the complete specifications as well as my ownership experience from the last 3 years. Actually not 3, 2.5 years. अभी अगले 2 महीने में I'll be completing 3 years with my bike, and I've named it Falcon. So without wasting a further time, let's get to the video. So guys, this is my Thunderbird 350X, which I have named it as Falcon, and this bike was released around the end of 2017 and the start of 2018. While I have bought this bike on November 20th, 2018, and it's been like around 3 years in the next 2 months that I've bought this beast. And to be honest, I have a very personalized experience over this bike, and I definitely want to share this thing with you. So this video is gonna be a complete review of this bike. So initially, let's take a sneak peek of this bike. So let's go.
That's good.
Is actually a cruiser bike, but for me it has always been a sports tourer because it gives a better performance as a sports bike rather than a cruiser for me. It has a 350cc engine, and which has 28 Nm torque at 4000 rpm, and it has 20 PS of power at 5250 rpm. And the one good thing is that this bike gives you a better performance at the highways as compared to the cities. So it's most preferable for the people who ride this bike in the highways. Now letting you know about the comfort of this bike. This bike is a 2-meter long bike, and which has a ground clearance of about 830 millimeter. And to be honest, the biggest chunk of this bike is covered by the petrol tank, which has 20-liter capacity, and the next major chunk would be covered by the rider seat, while the pillion seat is much smaller as compared to rider seat. So if you want a personalized experience, I'll just give it to you. So it gives you a perfect posture, a perfect riding posture. So me being 6'1" tall, so I have a perfect riding posture that my arms don't get bent over here, and I have a perfect posture for the leg as well. Even when you kickstart the bike, you won't have to bend hand even a little. So even if you want to turn, it just gets turned so easily, which gives you a perfect angle for the turning as well. And the another best thing is that whenever you take a steep turn, your hands don't get hit on the tank, which is again a very good thing as compared to this bike, which many other bikes have faced this issue as such from the past. So everything has been cleared in this bike so far. And now telling about the pillion seat, if you have a backrest with you, so it gives a much comfort for the pillion as well. Or else if you don't wish the person to be much far from you, so you can just remove the back seat and you can just place your pillion over here. So that's it about the complete review about the comfort of this bike so far. It comes with a digital odometer, while it has an analog speedometer as well as an analog tachometer, and it also has a fuel indicator. But this fuel indicator, it always, अगर तुम 200 का भी speed petrol भरते हो, it always indicates this sign. So you always have to be cautious. Just like every other Royal Enfield bike, you have to check whether the petrol is in place or not. क्योंकि I've faced this many times कि 200 का petrol भरने के बाद भी I have faced the same yellow low signal. And one more thing that I would like to show is that this is a battery indicator, and this indicates, so this spanner sign indicates that it has been the time for servicing this bike, because it has not been serviced in so long. So always make a note of it to maintain the bike as soon as possible. Now talking about the pricing of this bike is costed at the perfect price of about 1,64,000 in Mumbai, ex-showroom price. While after all the RTO and all the clearance, it comes around 1,96,900 in Mumbai. So it is perfectly priced as per all the demographics as well as all the specifications of this bike. I guess this is the perfect price that this bike could ever get. And this isn't a typical bullet, but it has a particular kind of comfort that every bike has. As I already mentioned, that this already seems like a sports tourer rather than a cruiser bike for me. Now talking about the most frequent question that every person has on his mind relating to this Royal Enfield bike is that कितना देती है? So to answer this question, I have been riding this bike since 2.5 years, and my personal experience is that मुझे हाईवे पे around 40 to 42 kilometers per liter का माइलेज मिलता है, and in the cities it goes to up to like 33 to 34 kmpl. But nevertheless, when you perfectly maintain the bike and you do the proper servicing, and the mileage not only depends upon the bike, it also depends upon the gear shifting, it also depends upon the maintenance of the bike, and just try to not rashly drive the vehicle as possible, because it's Royal Enfield bike और ये कोई स्पोर्ट्स बाइक नहीं है. तो सब यही बोलते हैं कि जब घोड़ा पाल सकते हो तो हाथी क्यों पालना है. तो घोड़ा भले ही भागता हो, बट ये हाथी ऐसा स्ट्रॉन्ग और टफ नहीं है. So हाथी मत पालो, ये तो I don't think that it's a conceptual thing. So because I personally like this Royal Enfield. So I was initially not a Royal Enfield fan at all. I was more of a sports bike fan, जो कि अभी भी थोड़ा सा हूँ. But after riding this vehicle, I don't even feel a loss of a sports bike, because this gives me a sports come a Royal Enfield वाला feel. So this, to be honest, this personally is the best bike that I have ever ridden on. और ये इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा था because I have ridden this for long, but this is because I have ridden this bike to the fullest. So out of all the Royal Enfield bikes I have ridden, my personal favorite would be this bike. और जो इसके प्राइस रेंज में आता है, जो इसका स्पेसिफिकेशंस है, जो इसकी फीचर्स है, एंड टेकिंग इनटू कंसिडरेशन ऑल दोस, दिस इज द बेस्ट बाइक. और हर रॉयल एनफील्ड बाइक अपने आप में ही एक बहुत सही इन्वेंशन है, बट आउट ऑफ ऑल दोस इन्वेंशंस, यू नो, माय पर्सनल फेवरेट इज दिस वन. So I'm just gonna show you how much time will this bike take to go from 0 to 100. So let's go. So it gives you a very good performance with the speed as well. It has the perfect handle control. It has the perfect control over the complete tires as well as the handles all over attached together. So speed, performance और handling के मामले में तो ये bike it deserves a thumbs up. So this was just the complete review of my bike, guys, and I hope that you like this bike, and most of you after seeing this video might have thought कि यार काश मैं ये bike ले लूँ. So don't hesitate to buy this bike. ये प्राइस रेंज में it is one of the best, and thank you so much guys for showering so much love on my previous videos as well, and this makes me, and this keeps me motivated to create much more videos, to give you the best out of the best contents that I would ever make. And thanks guys for supporting me, and I'll make sure that I'll come up with much more better content as well. So out of all the videos that I've made, this was one of the most toughest video, because I need to look at the angles कि कौन से angle से क्या आएगा, कैसे आएगा. So I had one of my friends who had been supporting me from since so long. वो मेरे सारा सामान पकड़ के खड़ा है कब से. So I want to introduce you to
Hi guys.
Yash Shingle. So he's the one behind all these scenes, behind all this like captures as well. So big hats off to him as well. He's a very good photographer, like my personal photographer as well. So he was the one जो हमारे साथ फर्स्ट वीडियो में इंडिपेंडेंस डे राइड में गए, जो सबको मराठी सिखाने में बिजी था. So he was the one. So how do you like this bike? Chummeshwar. So anyways guys, thank you guys for watching this video till here. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe this video. So if anyone wishes to buy a new bike, don't forget to recommend this particular bike to them if it's their favorite, if they love, like if they are one of the Royal Enfield fans. So thank you so much for watching. So do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon besides it. This is your boy Vivek Menon signing off. Bye bye.